The ASUS ROG Strix G18. Imagine having the power to dominate any gaming session, create stunning visuals for your content, and stay productive with lightning-fast multitasking. That's what this beast of a laptop brings to the table, and I'm excited to share why it's a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their gaming or creative workflow. This ASUS ROG Strix G18 packs elite-level gaming performance into one incredible package. Say hello to the Intel Ultra 9 processor 275HX, which unleashes a whopping 24 cores and 24 threads that boost up to 5.4 GHz. That means you can tackle even the most demanding AAA titles with ease, without sacrificing any of the smooth frame rates or real-time ray tracing that make gaming so immersive. But it's not just about raw power, this laptop is also a visual powerhouse. The ROG Nebula Display boasts an impressive 18-inch resolution at 2560 by 1600, with a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast 3 milliseconds response time. That translates to vibrant colors, incredible clarity, and silky-smooth motion that makes competitive gaming or content creation a breeze. And with 500 nits of peak brightness, you'll be able to game or create in any environment, from bright sunlight to dimly lit rooms. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this all work together? Well, let me tell you, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is equipped with an incredible amount of RAM and storage. With 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you can seamlessly multitask between heavy games, voice chats, streaming software, and multiple browser tabs. Boot times are lightning fast, game loading is near instant, and file transfers happen in the blink of an eye, all of which means you'll have more time to focus on what matters most, crushing it in your favorite games or creating stunning content. But wait, there's more. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 also features next-gen connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring the lowest latency and fastest network speeds for lag-free online gaming. And with a Thunderbolt 4 port that supports DisplayPort and power delivery, you can connect your external displays or peripherals with ease. Finally, let's talk about security and convenience. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 comes equipped with Windows 11 Pro, which delivers advanced security features like BitLocker encryption and enterprise-grade protection. Plus, the built-in 1080p FHD IR camera with Windows Hello for password-free facial login makes it easy to log in and get started. No passwords or pins required. In short, this ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a game-changer, pun intended, that will take your gaming or creative workflow to the next level. With its elite-level performance, stunning visuals, lightning-fast multitasking, and advanced security features, you'll be able to dominate any session or create content with ease. So why wait? Click the link below to get your hands on this incredible laptop and start experiencing the power of ASUS ROG for yourself. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is more than just a laptop. It's a key to unlocking your full creative potential, whether you're a gamer or a content creator. And with its unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and advanced features like Windows 11 Pro, this beast of a laptop is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to level up their workflow.